Driver, where are you coming from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Let me see your face. Remove that hand. Where are you coming from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Zakibian.
Yeah.
Going to where?
I'm going to Obolo.
Obolo. Oga, who are you?
Mustafa.
Huh?
Mustafa.
You are from where?
Zakibian.
Zakibian. Where are you going to?
Obolo.
To do what? I'm not talking to you, sir. What are you going to Obolo to do? Who are you, sir?
Salman.
Where are you going to?
Going to Obolo.
To do what?
Carry goods.
Oga, who are you?
Bye.
Where are you going to?
Obolo.
To do what? Nothing. Who are you? Where are you going to?
Ubolo.
Huh?
We are going to Ubolo.
To do what?
To collect our goods where they are.
Where are you going to?
Ubolo.
To do what? Huh? To do what? What are you going to Obolo to do? And what is your name?
My name is Abbas.
Huh?
Abbas.
Abbas.
Yes.
You are from where?
From Zakibian.
Who are you?
Hamza.
I'm there.
Hamza.
You are from where?
I'm from Ubolo.
Where are you going to?
It's from Zakibian.
Where are you going to?
That's a G now.
Who are you? Oga?
I'm going to.
Who are you? What is your name?
My name is
Huh?
Godi.
Godi. You are from where?
I'm from Zakibian.
What is your name, Oga?
Hamza.
What is your name, madam?
Chapa.
Where are you going to?
Obolo.
To do what?
This one na my husband.
This one are your husband. Okay, una they live for Obolo, I've been they go do business there. Driver, what's your name?
My name is Salih.
Where are you going to?
We go for Obolo.
To do what?
Driver.
Huh? What is your name, sir?
Me.
How many are there for this motor? Chineke. God. What is your name? Huh?
Na Bashir.
Enter inside motor, guy. Who are you?
Na Bashir.
Where are you going to?
Obolo.
To do what?
For na market people.
Eh?
Market people.
Which market?
Na yam the seller.
Where is the yam?
He didn't sell for big motor.
You don't sell for big motor. Why not follow the big motor?
They.
What is your name, sir?
Abakar.
Where are you going to?
Toboko.
To Boko. Okay. What is your name?
Isiaka.
Where are you going to?
Obolo.
Obolo. Okay, how come you are going to Boko and
Obolo, no be this na carry Boko no Obolo.
Okay, no Obolo you dey go. No big Boko. You? What is your name?
Babangida.
Babangida. Where are you going to?
Obolo.
To do what? Hello. What is your name?
Amen.
Where are you going to?
Obolo.
To do what? Jesus Christ. Hello. Una dey four for this motor. I cannot begin to ask all of you one by one what's your name like. What is your name, sir?
Abdul.
Huh?
Abdul.
Abdul.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed. What is your name?
Sapiano.
Huh?
Sapiano.
Sapiano. What is your name?
Rabiu.
Rabi. What is your name?
Amina.
Amina. What is your name?
Hawa.
Awa. What is your name?
Nahira.
Huh?
Nahira.
Nahira. What is your name? Timmy. What are you people going to Obolo to do?
They go market.
They go market. All of you, they go market with two buses.
Yes.
Running inside the bush.
We are taking these vehicles, escorting them out of the state, out of Enugu state. Right now we are at the boundary between Enugu and Benue state. And we are taking them, escorting them out of the state completely. And there are about 20 vehicles. The vehicle were being impounded by military men at the checkpoint here. at the boundary between Benue and Enugu State. And we are here to escort them out of the state.
And outside with about 11:25. I should Port Harcourt. Now, I make all this in Ashi Law Panther. When you am in Ketchup, you say, "Yo, I'm not the airport police." One na phone off, man. I should go area command for the police station no much. Without time on that. Then call the driver. From the police station, no much can. We had 19 passenger. 19 passenger. Oh, yeah.
My people, I greet you. Please, I don't know what is going on, but something is really going on. I don't know what is going on, but I tell you, something is really going on. Because yesterday, in the night, Governor Wike arrested people, Fulani herdsmen, hiding inside a trailer with foodstuffs heading to River State. Now, this afternoon at Jaku Junction in Auchi, Edo State, Fulani herdsmen, a lot of them, I don't know their number, I don't want to quote the wrong number, but you can see it on the video.